The current prevailing idea among academic scientists is that there is, in fact, a black hole at the center of every galaxy. I was discussing this in an email distribution recently about the metaphysical significance of the Galactic Center with respect to both astrophysics and perhaps even astrology. The holographic principle in string theory suggests, against Hawking and Wheeler, that the information of all the things falling inside a black hole is somehow captured in a preserved and encoded image on the horizon of the black hole itself. The information encoded in this image provides a template for the extension of the material universe. The two-dimensional event horizon projects that extension outward into the 3+1 dimensional space-time universe, comprising a manifold of all the interactions of galaxies. Essentially, the programming for our universe is encoded on the event horizons of black holes, and it's externalized outwards. We've discussed this in the past, how galaxies seem to be quantized in terms of distributed networks of cognition through the magnetospheres of its stars, centralized by the black hole at the galactic center. Its self-organization and emergence is explained in terms of the distributed fine-tuning of the universe, whereby galactic intelligences are optimizing for various potentia related to the fundamental utility of the universe. In order for this to happen throughout the universe, every point must have the structure of the black hole information, which is related by extension to the sentience of the universe as a whole. The cosmos is like a vast biological entity, a kind of quasi-organic superblob that reproduces according to the laws of biological and Darwinian evolution, using black holes as seeds. Essentially, it is encoding the potentialization and actualization of the universe through an intrinsic meta-language quantized in terms of the geometry and non-terminal extension of black holes as a template for the evolution of the physical universe. This is really exciting. Langen says just as minds are real, reality is like a mind. And when we ask whose mind, this is necessarily the mind of God, the creator and king of the universe, whose moral law and teleology, his extension and embodiment, is true and good order in physical reality. It's not an arbitrary decision of God or something hovering over him in some determining way, but the fullness of his being as manifested in creation. What was once thought to be an argument against God, that the universe wastes all of this matter, energy, and information in the form of black holes, actually turns out to be an argument in his favor. In the future, we're going to discuss another shocking implication of the nature of black holes, that they can collapse quantum superpositions into concrete reality. This would suggest that they have a metaphysical role similar to that of human tellers. And from this dynamic, we'll look at Hawking radiation, general relativity, quantum field theory, and more, and unite all this under a unified field theory, a quantum gravity, which centers on the fact that God is the creator and king of the universe, and reality is in his image. We have a cosmic edge not based on physical containment, but the horizon of the universe perceiving everything inside of it. Let the light shine forth in the darkness. May the peace of our Father in heaven be upon you. Like and subscribe. Peace.